At 72, Robert felt like he was walking on broken glass every single day. For years, the pins and needles in his feet kept him awake until the sun came up. He didn't change his meds, but he changed one tiny habit. He dropped a specific amount of eucalyptus oil on 5 very specific spots. By the second night, Robert slept for 8 hours straight. His doctor was stunned. Most people over 60 think nerve pain is just part of getting old. It is not. The secret is not just the oil, but exactly where you put it. If you use it in the wrong place, you are wasting your time. Stick around, because the spot at number 1 is a secret for your sleep you won't want to miss. Let's begin. The first spot is the soles of your feet. You might wonder why the bottom of your feet matters if your pain is higher up in your legs or back. Think about the last time you walked on a cold floor. You felt that coldness instantly throughout your whole body. This is because the skin on the soles of your feet has some of the largest pores on your entire body. For seniors, this is a golden gateway. As we age, our skin elsewhere can become thin or dry, making it harder for remedies to sink in. But the soles of your feet remain a powerful highway that leads directly to your nervous system. Robert's journey started right here. He described his feet as feeling frozen yet burning at the same time. This is a common complaint for those of us over 65. It is called peripheral neuropathy. It feels like your nerves are misfiring, sending pain signals to your brain even when there is no injury. Think of it like a faulty electrical wire in your house that keeps sparking for no reason. Scientifically, eucalyptus oil contains a powerful compound called cineol. You can think of cineol as a natural fire extinguisher. When it enters those large pores on your feet, it travels deep into the tissue and starts to quiet down those angry, sparking nerve endings. To prepare this correctly, you cannot just pour the oil on and hope for the best. This is where most people fail. If your feet are cold, your pores are closed tight like a locked door. Robert learned a specific preparation strategy that makes all the difference. He started by soaking his feet in comfortably warm water for exactly 5 minutes. This isn't just for relaxation. The warmth signals your blood vessels to open up and your skin to become receptive. It is like opening the windows of a house to let a fresh breeze in. Once your feet are warm and slightly pink, pat them dry very gently. You don't want to rub them harshly, as that can irritate the nerves further. Now you need the right mixture. Mix 3 drops of pure eucalyptus oil with a teaspoon of a carrier oil. You can use coconut oil or olive oil from your kitchen. Never use eucalyptus oil straight on your skin. It is incredibly potent, and for our sensitive skin, it can be too strong. Massage this mixture into the arch of your foot and specifically around the base of your toes. Spend about 3 minutes on each foot. You are not just applying oil, you are manually waking up the circulation that has become sluggish over the years. Within 30 minutes, you will likely feel a gentle, cooling warmth. This is the cineol beginning its work. By the next morning, many seniors report that first step out of bed pain is reduced by half. A common mistake here is putting on polyester or synthetic socks right after application. These materials don't allow your skin to breathe and can actually trap moisture in a way that causes irritation. Always use 100% cotton socks. This allows the oil to sink in while keeping your feet at the perfect temperature to continue the healing process through the night. While the feet are the foundation of your mobility, we must address the source of that shooting pain that often travels like a lightning bolt down your legs. This brings us to spot number 2, which is your lower back, specifically the area right above your tailbone. This is the exact location where the sciatic nerve begins its long journey down your body. It is the thickest and longest nerve in your entire body, roughly about the width of your pinky finger. If you have ever felt a sharp electric shock sensation that starts in your back and travels all the way down to your calf or even your toes, your sciatic nerve is screaming for help. For many of us over 60, this happens because the tissues and discs in our lower back have become stiff, dry, and inflamed over the decades. It's like a heavy boot stepping on a garden hose. The water can't flow through and the nerve can't send the right signals to your brain. Applying eucalyptus oil to this specific spot works through something called mu-opioid receptors. Now, don't let that scientific name confuse you. These are simply your body's natural off switches for pain. In very simple terms, the eucalyptus oil sends a signal that tells your brain to stop focusing on the irritation in your back. It calms the alarm system that has been ringing for months or years. But to get results like Robert did, you must find the exact gateway. Reach back and feel for the two small dimples at the very base of your spine, just above your hips. This is the entry point for the sciatic nerve. The preparation strategy for this spot involves a bit of gentle heat to help the oil penetrate through the thick muscle layers of the lower back. A woman named Dorothy, who is 69, used to struggle just to stand up from her favorite armchair. She felt a constant pulling sensation in her lower back every time she moved. She felt like her body was made of rusty hinges. After 3 days of using the eucalyptus oil on this specific back spot, she felt what she called the heaviness lift. She described it as if someone had finally taken that heavy boot off the garden hose, allowing the energy to flow back into her legs. To do this yourself, apply your oil mixture, 3 drops of eucalyptus to a teaspoon of carrier oil, to those 2 dimples and the space between them. Use light, circular motions. Then, place a warm, not hot washcloth over the area for 10 minutes. This acts like an anchor, pushing the oil deeper into the tissue where the nerve sits. A common mistake at this spot is rubbing too hard. If your back is already inflamed, aggressive massage can actually trigger a muscle spasm and make the pain worse. Think of it like stroking a small bird. You want to be gentle. If you don't have a high-quality pure eucalyptus oil at home, I have placed a link to a trusted, senior-safe product in the description below. Using a pure oil is vital because the cheap, synthetic versions, often found in big-box stores, can actually irritate the nerve further rather than soothing it. Now, let's shift our focus to your hands. If you struggle to open a jar of pickles, or if your fingers feel buzzy and numb while you are reading a book or holding your steering wheel, you need to know about spot number 3. This spot is the inside of your wrists. Take a moment right now and look at the inside of your wrists. You can see your blue veins very clearly, almost as if they are right on the surface. This is because the skin here is incredibly thin. It sits directly over the narrow tunnel of nerves and tendons that control every movement of your fingers. This area is often called the carpal tunnel. For many seniors, decades of cooking, gardening, or even just writing have caused this tunnel to narrow. When that happens, it puts constant pressure on the nerves, leading to that annoying stinging and loss of grip strength. Applying the oil here is like giving your hands a reset button. Because the skin is so thin and the blood vessels are so close to the surface, the healing compounds in the eucalyptus oil enter the area almost instantly. Mary, a grandmother of 5, told us she couldn't even hold her knitting needles anymore because of the stinging in her thumb and pointer finger. She felt like she was losing a part of her identity. She started applying 2 drops of the eucalyptus mixture to the inside of her wrists every morning and every evening. The preparation strategy for the wrists is a bit different from the feet or back. You want to move your wrists in very slow, gentle circles for 1 minute before you apply the oil. Imagine you are drawing a circle in the air with your hand. This lubricates the joint and signals the nerves that treatment is coming. Once the oil is applied, here is the secret trick Mary used. Wrap your wrists loosely in a soft flannel cloth for 20 minutes. This creates a micro-environment that prevents the oil from evaporating into the air, ensuring every single drop goes into your skin. What should you expect? Within 48 hours, most people notice that the clumsiness in their hands begins to fade. You might find you can grip your coffee mug with more confidence or turn a doorknob without that sharp catch of pain. A common mistake is applying the oil and then immediately washing your hands or doing the dishes. You must give it at least 20 minutes to fully absorb into the nerve tunnel. If you have to do something with your hands, wear gloves over the oil to keep it protected. As we move toward the next spot, remember that your nerves are all connected to one main control center. If you want true, lasting relief, you have to calm that control center down. This brings us to spot number 4, the base of your skull. This is the point where your neck meets the back of your head. It is perhaps one of the most important junctions in the entire human body. Every single signal from your brain, whether it is a signal to move your leg or a signal of pain from your toe, must pass through this very narrow gateway. When we are in chronic pain, we naturally tense our shoulders and our neck. We don't even realize we are doing it. This creates a physical bottleneck that makes every other pain in your body feel much more intense. It's like a traffic jam that slows down everything else. Using eucalyptus oil here provides what I call a dual action benefit. First, the oil sinks into the skin and helps relax the tiny, deep muscles at the base of the skull that are often as tight as guitar strings. Second, you are naturally breathing in the cooling vapors of the oil. These vapors travel directly to the limbic system in your brain. This is the area of your brain that manages stress and how you perceive pain. Imagine your nervous system is like a noisy, crowded room where everyone is shouting. The eucalyptus oil acts like a calm person walking in and asking everyone to be quiet. It lowers the volume of your pain signals across your entire body. Robert found that when he used the oil here, he felt a sense of lightness in his head and neck within minutes. His tension headaches, which he thought were just another unavoidable part of getting old, simply started to dissolve. To apply this correctly, use your index and middle fingers to find the two bony ridges at the very back of your head. Massage the oil in gentle, upward strokes toward your hair. This direction is important because it encourages the release of tension. Do not press too hard, as this area is very sensitive and contains many small blood vessels. You will feel a cooling sensation followed by a deep sense of relaxation. A frequent mistake seniors make at this spot is using a heating pad on their neck after applying the oil. You must never do this. The skin at the base of the skull is very delicate, and the cooling effect of the eucalyptus oil can mask the feeling of a burn until it is too late. The natural cooling power of the oil is all you need to reset your pain volume. This brings us to the final spot, and this is perhaps the most overlooked area for anyone struggling with leg health, night cramps, or that heavy feeling in the lower body. Spot number 5 is the area directly behind your knees. This small, soft area is a major intersection for your blood vessels, your lymph nodes, and your nerves. As we age, our circulation can become a bit sluggish, especially in the areas furthest from our heart. Think of it like a garden hose that has been sitting in the sun too long. It gets stiff, and the water doesn't flow through it as easily as it used to. When blood and nutrients don't reach your nerves effectively, they start to complain. This complaint usually comes in the form of those painful night cramps, numbness, or that restless leg feeling that keeps you tossing and turning until 3 in the morning. Applying eucalyptus oil behind the knees helps to thaw out that sluggish circulation. Tom, a 70-year-old veteran, suffered from terrible leg cramps every single night like clockwork at 3 a.m. He was exhausted and frustrated. He started using the eucalyptus method behind his knees every night before bed. He followed a specific preparation strategy that I want you to remember. He would sit on the edge of his bed, apply the oil mixture, and then gently pump his ankles up and down for 1 minute. This simple combination of the oil and the movement helps the blood move back up toward his heart. It's like priming a pump to get the water flowing again. The key here is to ensure the area is clean. Because we often wear long pants or stockings, this area can collect sweat or dry skin cells that act like a wall, blocking the oil. A quick wipe with a warm, damp cloth is all you need. Massage the oil in upward strokes, from the top of your calf toward your thigh. This is very important. You always want to encourage the blood and lymph to flow up toward the center of your body, not down toward your feet. Within 48 hours, Tom noticed that his legs didn't feel as heavy when he walked down the driveway to get the mail. More importantly, those 3 a.m. cramps that had haunted him for years simply vanished. What should you expect in the morning? You should feel a sense of fluidity in your legs. That stiffness that makes you waddle or move slowly for the first few minutes of the day will start to dissolve, leaving you feeling more stable on your feet. A common mistake behind the knees is using too much pressure. There are many sensitive lymph nodes in this area, so a butterfly touch, very light and gentle, is much better and more effective than a deep tissue massage. By using these 5 spots together, the soles of your feet, your lower back, your wrists, the base of your skull, and the area behind your knees, you are creating what I call a full-body nerve shield. You are not just treating one single symptom, you are supporting your entire nervous system from the ground up. The cineole in the eucalyptus oil is one of nature's greatest gifts for our nerves, but it requires 2 things from you: your patience and your consistency. Do not expect a miracle in the first 5 minutes. Give it the full 48 hours that Robert gave it. On the first day, you might just feel a bit more relaxed and notice that you are breathing a bit deeper. By the second day, you will likely notice that the volume of your pain has been turned down significantly, and the world feels a little bit easier to navigate. Remember, your body has an incredible, God-given ability to heal itself, even after 60, 70, or 80 years of life. Sometimes, our nerves just need the right kind of natural support in the right places to find their way back to balance. If you have been living with that nagging buzzing in your hands or that stinging in your feet that makes every step a chore, please try this tonight. It is a simple ritual, it is very inexpensive, and it has helped so many people in our community find their way back to a comfortable, active life where they can enjoy their grandchildren and their hobbies again. Avoid those synthetic pain creams you see advertised on TV that are full of artificial chemicals you can't even pronounce. Many of those just mask the pain with a chemical burn. Instead, stick to the pure, natural power of eucalyptus and a high-quality carrier oil. Your skin will thank you, and your nerves will finally be able to rest. Share this video, check the links below for your oil, and start your 48-hour journey to nerve relief tonight.